If you're working with your Haas lathe, you might come across a situation where the spindle will not turn faster than a certain RPM. For example, if you're commanding it to turn at 1000 RPM, but it tops out at 500. Take a look at the current commands page and see if the G50 is in effect. G50 command is modal. Once you call it, it will remain in effect until you cancel it with another G50. G50 works in conjunction with G96, constant surface speed mode, to protect the spindle. In constant surface speed mode, the tool runs at a constant speed on the workpiece. As the workpiece's diameter gets smaller, however, the spindle must accelerate to maintain that constant speed, running the risk of throwing parts or damaging tools. G50 limits the spindle speed to keep that from happening. So if your spindle tops out at a specific RPM ceiling, take a look to see if there's a G50 active on the current commands page. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.